Have you ever felt like you finally mastered Git, only to be thrown back into confusion by a strange issue? If that's you, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common Git problem where both your master and branch show the same changes. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you think you have everything under control, and then suddenly, things start to look the same across branches. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why are my master and branch showing the same changes when I run Git status?" They noticed that both branches displayed identical modifications and untracked files. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this? When you see the same changes in both branches, it often means that the branches have not diverged properly. This can happen if changes were made in the master branch and not merged into the other branch. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your branches more effectively and avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of both branches showing the same changes, the user should first understand that this behavior can occur if the branches have not diverged. The user can check the commit history to see if both branches are based on the same commit. Next, the user should ensure that they have committed any changes in both branches. If there are uncommitted changes, they will not be reflected in the other branch. The user can do this by running the git status command. After committing changes, the user can switch between branches to verify that the changes are indeed committed. They can do this by using the git checkout command followed by the branch name. If the user wants to ensure that both branches reflect the same changes, they can merge the changes from one branch into the other. This can be done by checking out the master branch and merging branch 1 into it. Finally, the user should push the changes to the remote repository to ensure that both branches are updated. This can be done using the git push command. Fun fact, did you know that Git was created by Linus Torvalds, the same person who created Linux? It's a powerful tool, but even the best can have their quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that if you haven't committed your changes and switched between branches, Git will show the same changes in both. However, once you commit those changes, they will only appear in the branch where you made the commit. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Regularly check your branches and commit history. This habit can save you from confusion and keep your workflow smooth. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of why your master and branch were showing the same changes. Remember, keeping your branches organized is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more Git tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Git techniques.